Easy English Basics series. Lesson 3. Hello, everyone. Parts of speech. The parts of speech are categories that classify words based on their function within a sentence. English has 8 main parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Understanding each part of speech is crucial for analyzing sentence structure and for effective communication. Here's a detailed look at each. Nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. They can function as the subject or object of a verb, the object of a preposition, or as a complement. Nouns can be classified into various categories, including proper nouns, names of specific entities, common nouns, countable nouns, uncountable, mass nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Pronouns. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns or a noun phrase, often to avoid repetition. They can refer to persons, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns include personal pronouns, for example, I, you, he, she, possessive pronouns, for example, mine, yours, his, hers, reflexive pronouns, for example, myself, yourself, relative pronouns, for example, who, which, that, and demonstrative pronouns, for example, this, that, these, those. Verbs. Verbs are action words that express what the subject is doing, or a state of being. Verbs are central to the predicate of a sentence and can be classified into several types: main verbs, auxiliary verbs, helping verbs, and modal verbs. Verbs change form to indicate tense, mood, and aspect. Adjectives. Adjectives are descriptive words that modify nouns or pronouns, providing more detail or information about them. Adjectives can describe qualities, quantities, or states and can specify size, color, shape, taste, and more. They typically answer questions like which one, what kind, and how many. Adverbs. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing information about how, when, where, why, or to what degree an action is performed. Many adverbs end in "ly", though not all do, and not all words ending in "ly" are adverbs. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun, or pronoun, and other words in a sentence, typically indicating direction, location, time, or introducing an object. Prepositions are always part of a prepositional phrase, which includes the preposition, its object, and any modifiers of the object. Conjunctions. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or clauses, making complex or compound structures. There are 3 types: coordinating conjunctions, for example, and, but, or; subordinating conjunctions, for example, although, because, since; and correlative conjunctions, for example, neither, nor, either, or. Interjections. Interjections are words or phrases that express emotion, hesitation, or protest. They are not grammatically related to other words in a sentence and are often set apart by exclamation points or commas when the emotion is less intense. Each part of speech plays a vital role in sentence construction and meaning. By understanding and correctly using the different parts of speech, individuals can create clear, expressive, and grammatically correct sentences.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Parts of speech.
The 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun. Number 2, adjective. Number 3, verb. Number 4, interjection. Number 5, pronoun. Number 6, adverb. Number 7, preposition. Number 8, conjunction. Noun, A noun names a person, thing, place, or idea. Example: cat, desk, pencil, books, student. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Example: happy, tall, yellow, funny. Verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action, feeling, or state. Example: drink, look, sing, love, hope. Interjection. An interjection expresses a strong emotion. It is a short exclamation. Example: wow, this presentation was amazing. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how often, where, and when. Example: I always have a big cup of coffee in the morning. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of a noun or noun phrase to avoid repetition. Example: Claudia is a teacher. She is teaching us English. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, or direction. Example: the star is on your head. Conjunction. Conjunctions join words or group of words in a sentence. Example: Juliana, Francisco, and Pedro are taking an online class. Thank you.
Parts of speech. Chair, noun, verb, or adjective. Chair, noun. Tapped, noun, verb, or adjective. Tapped, verb. Elephant, noun, verb, or adjective. Elephant, noun. Beautiful, noun, verb, or adjective. Beautiful, adjective. Park, noun, verb, or adjective. Park, noun. Grandmother, noun, verb, or adjective. Grandmother, noun. Jump, noun, verb, or adjective. Jump, verb. Mother, noun, verb, or adjective. Mother, noun.